Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to type omega symbol in any Windows PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video. So let's go. First of all, I just go to my on-screen keyboard and show you which key I want to press. So I just go to my on-screen keyboard and just press the Alt key. I just press the Alt key and I just press this numeric keypad. On this numeric keyboard, I don't go to this number. I just go to this numeric keyboard or the numbers, and then I press the keys that I given, and my omega symbol is appear on my laptop or the PC on Windows. Okay, anywhere on the Windows. So I just go to my notepad and I give the multiple keys, because if in some cases in some keyboard, if first key is not work, then just go to the second, third, fourth. In my case, my first key is not working for me and fourth key is not working for me, but on my keyboard these two keys are working. So I just go to my notepad and I just go to the Alt key and just press 0937 and omega keys appear. Okay, now I just press Alt key 8486. So I just press 8486 and omega key is appear on the screen. So guys, this is the multiple ways for your keyboard depending on your keyboard. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.